We are going to start our new chapter, matrices. Now, matrices, we write it in the form of Aij, or sometimes it is written as a small ij. Here, this tells number of rows and next one tells number of columns. Now, if I take here a matrix Aij, so here I am taking a matrix 2, 3, 4, 6. Now here you can see this is number of rows. So we have 2 rows. I will write 2, and here we have 2 columns. This is your first column and this is your second column. So it is a matrix of 2 by 2. Now we have different types of matrices. First is your row matrices. Okay. Now in row matrix we have only one row. So 1, 2, the numbers like this way. We can have any number. Okay. Now here we have one row and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. So I can write it as 1 by 4. Now second comes column matrix. In column matrix we have only one column. So I can have 6, 5, 3, 2. Now here I have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows and 1 column. So it is called column matrix. Then we have square matrix. In square matrix your number of rows and number of columns are equal. Either they can be of 2 by 2, like here we have 2 rows and 2 columns. They can be of 3 by 3. So here, like here, 5, 4, 2. Now here we can see we have 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and here 3 columns. So this is your square matrix. Then we have zero matrix. In zero matrix all the elements will be 0. Now here I am taking a matrix of order 2 into 1. I can take a square matrix of 0. Okay. Here this is also a 0 matrix of 2 by 2 order. Now another is identity matrix. In identity matrix is very important because many times in board classes it is asked. Identity matrix, in this only diagonal elements will be 1, else everything will be 0. Now this is identity of 2 by 2 and it is denoted with I. Either if I am taking of order 3 to 3, so it will be like this way. Only diagonal elements will be 1, else everything will be 0. So this is identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Now if suppose they have a problem that Aij is of order 2 is to 2, means 2 rows and 2 columns, and Aij is defined as 2i minus j, then you have to form a matrix. Now it is of 2 by 2 order, means I will have 2 rows and 2 columns. Now this is your first row and this is second row. This is first column and this is second column. Now I need to calculate A11, means first row first column. So in place of I will substitute 1. In place of j I will substitute 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So your first row first column element will be 1. Now first row second column. So first row second column, here 2 into I is 1 and j is 2. So it will be 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So here it comes 0. Now first row second column element will be 0. Now here our I is 2 and j is 1. So for second row first column element, I is 2 and j is 1. So here I will have 4 minus 1, that is 3. So here in place of this it comes 3. Now I have A22, second row second column. So 2 into 2 minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So here this comes 0. This is how we will form a matrix. 2 into 2 minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So here this comes 0. This is how we will form a matrix. I am taking a question on equal matrix. Here we need to find out A, B, C and D if these two matrices are equal. Now if these two matrices are equal, I can write A plus B equals to 6. Then D equals to 3. 5 plus C equals to -1. So D is equal to 3. I got my one answer. 5 plus C is equal to -1. I can write C is equal to -1 minus 5 or C equals to -6. I got second answer. Then it is given that A, B equals to 8. Now I have these two equations. I can substitute from here. B equals to 6 minus 8. Now this I am substituting here. So I will get A into 6 minus A equals to 8. Now 6A minus A square equals to 8. I am taking all on other side. So I will get A square minus 6A plus 8 equals to 0. Now 4 and 2 will be the factor. So A square minus 4A minus 2A plus 8 equals to 0. Now factoring this, I will get A minus 4 and A minus 2 equals to 0. So A is 4 or 2. Now if A is 4, then I am substituting it here. If A is 4, then B will be 2. And if A is 2, then B will be 4. So these are our answers.